actually draw a simple labyrinth on the device and actually walk it with my finger. And just to think about all the spatial exploration and play that can happen with the thing.
I think it was amazing. I've never seen anything like that before. When you're blind, you see images, you don't see them, but you hear about them, you hear people describe them. Maybe even someone draws something on a tactile pad to the best of their ability.
I think dot pad will be incredibly useful for people, and especially I'm thinking of young people who they're having to relate with technology to their friends, and their friends are seeing all of these images which they don't get to see and experience beyond somebody telling them what that is. And this will certainly give them the chance to do a tactile exploration